still have several reservations about these farm bills. Poulomi Saha is joining us with more details on this. Poulomi, we've heard from the Congress, we've heard also from the farmers, all of them making it very clear that they've not changed their mind with regards to these farm bills, continuing to maintain that it is anti-farmer. But when it comes down to Parliament, it looks like the government does have the numbers and they're not going to really face a challenge in the Rajya Sabha.
Well, Akshita, the government has been working really hard in order to pull together the numbers, ensuring that they have the numerical strength in the Rajya Sabha as well. They do have that kind of strength in the Lok Sabha, and hence the Akalis walking out at the time of the bill being discussed did not exactly dent their prospects in passing the bills through the Lok Sabha. But in the Rajya Sabha, the government has been working really hard. Parliamentary Affairs Minister Prahlad Joshi, Rajnath Singh, who is mostly responsible for flow management across both houses for the government, have been speaking to parties which seem to be on the fence, specifically the Shiv Sena and the NCP. We still do not know which way these two parties are going to go. And of course, reaching out to those who are like-minded parties and have supported the government in the past, like the Biju Janata Dal, like the YSRCP, AIA, DMK, though of course TRS, which has stood with the government on various occasions, this time has said that it will be opposing the bill tooth or nail. But if you look at the numbers, if you just look at the numbers right now, they're more in favor of the NDA as opposed to the opposition. But the opposition will ensure that they create as much pressure on the government today as this bill is discussed to send this bill, both these bills which are being discussed right now, to a select committee for further parliamentary scrutiny.
All right. Poulomi, thank you for joining us with all those details.